Alright, let's find the critical numbers of this function in the interval 0 to 4. Then find the absolute and minimum, absolute maximum and absolute minimum value of this function on the same interval. So to find the critical numbers, we first need to find the derivative of the function. So the derivative of the function f prime of x is 3x squared minus 3. That's it. And then we set the derivative to 0 and solve for x to find out critical numbers. Let's factor out at 3, so we get x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we divide both sides by 3, so we get x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we factor out x squared minus 1, we get x minus 1 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we get two answers for x. X is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 1. These are our two critical x values. Then after we find our critical values, we need to plug them back in to the original function to find the absolute maximum and the absolute minimum. So let's plug the beginning of the interval 0 into the function. We get 0 cubed minus 3 times 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Then we plug the end of the interval into the function. So we get 3 times 4 cubes. 4 cubes minus 3 times 4 plus 2. That would be 54. Sorry. Then we plug the two critical values in. So we start with f of 1 is equal to 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Oh, I apologize. This is times 1. Then we plot the other critical values. F of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 cubed minus 3 times negative 1 plus 2 is equal to negative 1 plus 3 is 4. Now what is the max value here? That would be 54. So this is the absolute maximum and the minimum value is 0. The absolute minimum.